Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Oboke. So I'll be doing this meat today. So this is what I'm using: this 2 pepper, this amount of garlic, and 1 onions, and this ginger. So I'll grind them together. Then have to dry some this thing. I should even cut some meat out of it, but yeah, we need the meat too. So yeah, this is the ginger, garlic, and onions and pepper that blend together. So I will be adding a honey. This is honey to it. Those are 2 spoons of honey. This is soy sauce, so I will put this one inside. This is wine, just a little bit wine. Put it inside too. Stir them together. This one is rosemary, salt, and some Maggi seasoning. This one is thyme, and this one is curry. Mix all of them together inside. We just keep steady until everything mixed together. Yeah, they mix together. Some of them will melt later. Now we just put it like this. Just try to check it round if all the parts of the body are covered with the things you are using. I will cover it like this at least for like 4 hours and put it in the fridge before baking. Okay, so after 4 hours, and I'm bringing it out from the fridge after 4 hours now. So this is this. I should use this one, but I can see now this one is bigger. That's why I'm using this one. Okay. So I will be writing it and cover it with paper. So I on the oven for broil side, and I will be putting it here for high heat for like 1 hour. Yeah, see, it's high heat for 1 hour. 1 hour, and I will be coming back to see how if it's done or not. So this is what happened after 2 hours. I open it 1 hour, nothing happened, nothing changed. So yes, so I wait till 2 hours. This is how it look like, properly done, very. So there is no blood inside anymore, and it's done well seasoned. See, so this will be ready to go for serve. So you can use this one to serve your visitor, make your dinner. So I'll be using this one just to okay, let me just put in here BBQ sauce, just to brush it for more taste and the color also. Really season well for put it for 4 hours fridge, right? So after seasoning it, remember it's just a fresh beef, we didn't boil it. So yeah, it go very well. The taste, I don't want to describe the taste because you're not eating it with me, right? So that will not be fair if I'm telling you how tasty is it. I'm sorry about that. So maybe you let me know when you be around. So yeah, I can do some for you. So yeah, just like this, you continue, just put the barbecue sauce around it and then put it back for oven. Since the is already prepared and everything ready to go, yeah, I think you just put it for just only half an hour. That would be good. You see, because of the beef is very prepared, ready, done, so you can see the bone, how the bone look like. Yeah. Coming off. Yeah. How I know the beef was done. See, you will not see you won't see, you see the juicy. Instead of blood to be coming out, this is what you see, juicy. So for me, I don't like eating those. I eat red meat, but not that kind, not cooked one. Yes, so I like to cook mine. Yeah, so that's why I wait for 2 hours for that. So if you're going to prepare this one, it will just take you like 2 hours and a half, because that's what might take me. I will just wait for half an hour for this barbecue sauce to get inside, and I will still be covering it. Yeah. So I will still cover it. Still hot. Now I'll still use the bake. I'll use bake now. So the kind of that, like touching close fire, so I would advise you to use it. Okay. All these things come with the salad actually. This is the kind of salad I'm using. Sweet pea. Yeah, so everything come with it. Go the dresser, and if you don't want to do the dresser, fine too. Everything come with it. Don't want this thing to be too much. Okay, see how the final result look like. This is the final result. Bring this one out to cut. Wow, see inside. It done very well. This, you can use this for dinner, and you can also serve your friends and family visitors with it. Instead of looking for big food to cook, when you're having a visitor, people are coming over, just do something like this and just make salad by the side. So yeah, so this is what I will be eating today. Awesome. So this is the end of today. See you next week. Bye.